and she has put the pressure and heat to it to make me a diamond. Then my teachers, they have been a very inspiring source in my life to do better in each and every subject. When I went, there was a time when I was very ill because of my asthma. So I went to a doctor. He was in Kanpur, I still remember, and no medication for working on me. I was very sick. But he, told me that okay, don't hesitate, come give your test, we will see what we'll do. And he did all things possible to help me cope up with my health, and his medication worked wonderfully. And that's when I know that how important it is to have your faith in your doctor. He generated that faith within me. The medications were same, but this time they work. So certain people will come in your life who will inspire you to do better. Yet you just have to look to them. Just keep looking for your inspiration and motivation. It can be anyone. Trust me, it can be anyone. It can be an actor, it can be a singer, it can be a writer. It can be anyone. Okay?
Do your competitors make you motivated to be best in the studies?
That's an excellent question. Competition is something that is like prevalent, be it your school age, whether you give for your entrance exams or even in the college. Competition is going to be there. It's now up to you how you are going to deal with your competition, okay? You either can get jealous of them, oh, he's scoring so much in a subject, he must be using some resource, I must know. How can I overcome this? Or you can get inspired with him, oh, he's doing so good in a subject, I must also, read more about the subject. I must also do good enough like him. So you can either get inspired or you can get jealous. It's up to you how are you shaping your competition with him or her. And competition is very important because that will make you realize you are not the smartest person in the class. If you think you are smartest in the class, you are in the wrong class. Okay, change your class. You need to do better, and competition, the person who in your competition, he will push you forward to do better because he will make walls in your path to success, and you will have to climb each and every wall to reach there. That's how you will get stronger day by day.